Sparks flying here.
High speeds, those sparks, and a standoff inside someone's home. Tonight, News Chopper 4 was the first on scene of two chases, two stolen vehicles with two reckless drivers. Good evening, everyone. I'm Colleen Williams.
And I'm Chuck Henry. Indeed, there was a lot going on tonight. NBC4's Robert Kovacic is live for us, starting things off in Linwood with more on that pursuit. Robert?
Chuck and Colleen, here's what's going on right now. The residents at Louise and Peach here in Linwood have not had to evacuate, but they have been told to shelter in place, and they've had to do that for hours now. The focus of the search for a man who allegedly stole a U-Haul is right now inside of an attic, a cluttered attic. It's inside of a house he either chose at random or one the driver knows well.
Sparks are flying. The car has lost one of its tires on the driver's side.
News Chopper 4 Alpha and Ileana Moreno first overhead as the LA County Sheriff's Department chased a stolen U-Haul.
They're going to go for the pit.
Off the 105 and into a nearby neighborhood.
Losing control there a little bit. This is it. He's going to crash. There's no doubt that he is losing control here because he has lost that rear tire.
The van would finally stop.
Right there, right into that vehicle that was parked.
But the driver would not, dressed in red and refusing to surrender.
There's a person there and he's running into a home.
Asked the Sheriff's Department, is this guy armed? They said, we don't know, so please assume that he is. If he's not in the attic, the search will only continue. Live tonight in Linwood, I'm Robert Kovacic, NBC4 News.
And if we get more on that, we'll, of course, bring it right to you.
Almost. He tried.
As we say, if we get more on that first pursuit, we'll bring it right to you. Also breaking tonight, driving on the wrong side of the road, over the shoulder, running red lights, all of this while hitting speeds up to 90 miles an hour on surface streets in Gardena. Most of this particular stolen car pursuit was in and around the South Bay area. After officers attempted a pit maneuver, the driver apparently had enough, pulled over on Del Amo Boulevard in Torrance, and that's where he tossed the keys out the window, and that was pretty much it.